Hello everyone, this is Alexei speaking and bringing you another portion of power semiconductor news. The previous week was phenomenal, so let's see what is new in the industry. It is a milestone on the path to the chip factory of the future. At the new Bosch semiconductor fab in Dresden, silicon wafers are passing through the fully automated fabrication process for the first time. This is a key step toward the start of production operations, which is scheduled for late 2021. Manufacturing of automotive microchips will be primary focus when the fully digital and highly connected semiconductor plant is up and running. The new Wafer fab in Dresden is Bosch's response to the surging number of areas of application for semiconductors, as well as a renewed demonstration of its commitment to Germany as a high-tech location. Bosch is investing around 1 billion euros in a high-tech manufacturing facility, which will be one of the most advanced wafer fabs in the world. Funding for the new building is being provided by the federal German government, and more specifically the Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Energy. Bosch plans to officially open its wafer fab in June 2021. Toshiba will expand production capacity for power devices with the construction of a 300mm wafer fabrication facility at Kaga Toshiba Electronics Corporation in Japan. Mass production on the new line will start in the first half of fiscal year 2023. Power devices are essential components for managing and reducing power consumption by vehicles and industrial and other electrical equipment. Growth in the e-vehicle, factory automation and renewable energy sectors continues to drive demand growth for power devices. Toshiba has until now met demand by expanding production capacity on a 200mm wafer facility at Kaga Toshiba Electronics Corporation. The company will construct the new 300mm facility in a building on the same site that currently houses a 200mm line. The new 300mm line will be used to manufacture low-voltage MOSFETs and IGBTs. Toshiba has launched 650-volt Super Junction power MOSFETs that are housed in a TOL package. TOL is a surface mount package that has an approximately 27% smaller footprint than the usual D2PAC package. It is also a 4-pin type package that allows Kelvin connection of its signal source terminal for the gate drive. This can reduce the influence by the inductance of the source wire in the package to bring out the high-speed switching performance of the MOSFETs, suppressing oscillation when switching. The new MOSFETs are suitable for power supplies for industrial equipment such as data centers and photovoltaic power conditioners. Infineon Technologies launched the new generation of power MOSFETs technology, an 80 and 100 volt. Featuring broad availability at distribution partners and excellent price-performance ratio, make these right-fit products an easy choice for designers interested in convenient selection and purchasing. Optimized for both low and high switching frequencies, the family supports a broad range of applications enabling high design flexibility. Among the application profiting are SMPS, motor drives, battery-powered tools, battery management, UPS and light electric vehicles. The new portfolio will be available in various packages, continuing with TO220 full pack, D2PAC, D2PAC 7-pin and D-PAC. Leading global automotive supplier Marelli has launched the first power module for Motorsports electric and hybrid traction applications completely developed in the company's Carbide facility, fully based on silicon carbide technology and using a new direct cooling solution. This leading-edge system will be the core building block for even more efficient, compact and lighter inverters. The new module, called EDI Enhanced Direct Cooling Inverter, was developed by Marelli Motorsports with the Fraunhofer Institute for Reliability and Microintegration (IZM) and features an innovative structural design that drastically reduces the thermal resistance between the C components themselves and the liquid coolant, thanks to a new base-pitless solution. The result is an extremely compact power stage, which can exploit the efficiency advantage of silicon carbide, allowing vehicle designers more flexibility in packaging, cooling system design, and minimized energy storage. As wide bandgap technologies continue to penetrate traditional and emerging power electronics applications, semiconductor companies have been developing their product offerings at an extraordinary rate. Some have already announced multiple generations of their technology. With proven silicon carbide MOSFET device performance and best-in-class customer support, ON Semiconductor is a leader in this space. For example, ON Semiconductor recently expanded its range of wide bandgap devices with the introduction of its 650-volt SiC MOSFETs, creating new opportunities for higher efficiency in a power band that was previously underserviced. In ON Semiconductor block, you'll find a discussion about the market trends in 2021 and how OEMs will benefit from the effort of leading semiconductor manufacturers. On March 31st, join Bodo's virtual roundtable, focused on wide bandgap technology. The goal is to keep the dialogue going on, independent of any events that are hosted on a fixed date. These expert talks will build on the articles that Bodo publishes in his Bodo's Power Systems magazine, giving you the chance to ask questions to the experts out of the industry. Next session will take place over Zoom on March 31st. Register at Bodo's Power System website. Well, this is it, but I'll be back, so be sure to tune in next week. And don't forget to go to Marketing Psycho website for more information, or join me in social media. Stay safe.